friends. Remember that no one can live your life for you except you.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. That's my shit, that's my wave. Do it like that.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo, that. Shayo, Choco bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did I'm without any doubt, though. I'm a me, I don't go feed the girl, I don't go feed the girl, it's out, though. I'm a mind that's with the dog. I put my life into my job, and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate your love, I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba Frayo, my ayo, don't cry, yo. I need people and shadow. 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 I did Port when them kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. Now some more to make you have been all over. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Timberlake at you.
So we did check on that.
No, the one you saw that time was Saver. Although not Saver the right there. I don't think that I know where they are. My picture is that one.
But you say I did nothing for you, and if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young last.
Like it, then you go back to this one. It's still blended scotch. Oh, the same quantity. Egone, is it not the same? 22. Oh, this is 22 and the other one is 15. Oh.
Make a call, make a bomb, 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 make a call, make a keep at the bomb, 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 your body, kakara, make a bomb, 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 on a make it. Kilo fat, I'm a dead chocolate, fine, no bucket, watch your love for like it, why not more, your body, chocolate, push it ready, yeah, imade, double dose, kilo fat, why now?
Hi guys, welcome to, is there a road there? I think this way. So today I'm going out and I decided to take you guys along with me to where I'm going to. Hi guys, how are you guys doing before I forget? So I charged my battery at home and coming out now I forgot to bring it along with me. That's bad. Hi guys, welcome back to this space. So today I'm taking you guys along with me to, where am I even going to? Should I spill it yet? So I'm going for a job hunt. I was referred to a place to go check out the agency, so that's where I'm going to now, and I've decided to go with you guys. So we have a stadium here. This place behind me is Lincoln Stadium. But anyways guys, let's keep going. This is the first time I'm taking this route. I don't know if there is a way here, but let me check my map if I'm still in the right direction or not. I have my phone here with me. Let me see. Was I meant to take this way? So, is it here? Yeah? Or no? Honestly, yeah? Okay, it is. So, I was asked to take this way. But this is the first time I am going through this route. And this route looks so lonely. Like, you guys can literally see, looks so lonely. And yeah, let's keep going guys.
Continue on Holly Street. Then in 50 yards, the destination is on your right.
Showing me that I'm almost here. This looks like a residential area. So I got to this place, and right now this is not the road. This is the first time I'm seeing a mortuary in this country. So this place is just like a burial ground, not mortuary, burial ground. Okay, cemetery. Yes, that's the word I was looking for. So this is the first time I'm seeing a cemetery in this country. So I got to the location and I was told that I'm not meant to be in this office. There's another office at the front. So let me see, because it's like 29 minutes, which is like almost the same minutes that I use in getting to this place. So let me see if I can
in half a mile,
get an Uber
onto the path.
LM5 Z. So I want to see if I can get an Uber to the location, because it will be better and easier. So let me see the price. It's just like £5. So yeah, let's see if I can book an Uber here, because trekking down to that place is actually fun. But I don't know, should I still keep trekking? I don't know if I still want to keep trekking and then coming back I'll just take an Uber. 28 minutes walk to that place, guys. I don't waka. May you guys so continue to rest in the bosom of our Lord Jesus Christ. Amen. So I was supposed to get to my location by, and this place is a church. Respect the dead. I'll talk to you guys later. I have trekked and trekked and trekked today. I have walked for like 1 hour, almost 1 hour, because I have 12 minutes. I have 12 minutes to 1 hour of me trekking, just because I'm job hunting, and just because I crave for a better flying planes. I don't know why they just keep moving around. So just because I crave for a better job, and I kind of feel exhausted, but not that much. Yeah, I'm not that exhausted. So I've just been talking and I wasn't recording. So I got to this place and they asked me to check back in the next 2 weeks, that they currently are not employing, and that's fine. I was thinking they were employing at the moment, but they ain't employing. So they asked me to check back in the next 2 weeks. I should call them on the phone instead of coming down to this place and getting disappointed and finding out that they are not employing. That it's best I call them on the phone, and it's understandable. So yeah, I have trekked for like 1 hour plus just to locate this place. This is past 2, and I left home past 12. I've been trekking since for almost 2 hours now. Anyways, that's fine, that's okay. I was able to exercise my body, and I was able to see lots of things which I never think I was gonna see today, like the apple trees. I saw apple trees today. I saw blackberry trees. It's not like a tree, but yeah, I saw a blackberry tree, and I saw a special fruit as well, which I don't know what that is. I also asked some white people, and they also didn't know the name of that fruit. But fine, guys, I am okay. I am doing fine. I am happy. I am excited. I was able to do this work. I was able to do a solo trip today, and right now I'm in this open gaze. I'm in this open field, and I'm trying to take some pictures for myself, pictures for the gram. But I decided to like show you guys this place, why I take some pictures. All right, so I'm going to keep my camera here. I just hope it doesn't fall down. I'm right here, so I'm going to set my camera here and take some pictures for myself, by myself and for myself. This is not nice. I don't like it. Maybe I can just take 1 or 2. Kind of seems dark. I can just take 1 or 2 pictures, and yeah, I'll call it a day for this pictures stuff. Maybe I'll take pictures down the road, I think, with my shutter as well.